Minimal maintenance, maximum uptime. The WeldPlast 300 cuts lifetime costs by 40%, delivering the lowest cost per welding meter in its class.
We are excited to introduce the WeldPlast 300 to you today. The device comes in a robust case. Included inside are the short instruction, the safety instruction, and an overview with all the comfortable welding shoes. To present the WeldPlast in the best possible way, we show you the recommended accessories. The tool stand, the angled adapter, 2 or 3 welding shoes, the insulation cuff, the preheating reflector, and of course the scraper blade. We also include the contour scraper. Very practical as well is the plast fix. For minimal daily maintenance, you only need the brass wire brush plus a 4 mm Allen key and combination pliers for changing welding shoes. We begin our device overview at the welding shoe area and work our way back to the main plug. This ensures we cover all the features clearly and completely. To give you the perfect set right from the start, we are happy to offer the welding shoes that best match your application. Leister provides a wide range of types to choose from. The device is now warm enough so we can install a welding shoe. One major advantage of the air-integrated welding shoes is that they can be rotated into any desired position. A true highlight of the WeldPlast 300 is the dual-zone heating system of the extrusion unit. The additional handle is well known from other Leister models. Here too it can be positioned freely or removed quickly whenever needed. The handle also serves as a safe side stand. Alternatively, the side stand bracket can be mounted, which is also installable on the left side. The gearbox housing contains several threaded inserts. These allow mounting of a guide carriage or even an exoskeleton or cobot. Matching CAD files are available on our website. The air inlet of the WeldPlast 300 is located on top and protected by this filter. It can be easily removed and cleaned. Moving further down, you'll find 2 LED work lights seamlessly integrated into the design. They illuminate the welding area perfectly, both front and rear. Another unique feature of the WeldPlast series is the main power switch. It completely disconnects the device from the power supply, so you can safely leave it plugged in. Typical for Leister extruders are the easy-to-reach material output lever and the on-off button. Now let's talk about the next highlight, the design. The WeldPlast 300 doesn't just look great. Every shape and surface has a purpose. All black and green areas function as grip zones. This makes welding in any position comfortable and effortless. It improves ergonomics, endurance, and productivity. Now to the user interface. The WeldPlast 300 offers an intuitive control panel. All relevant welding parameters are visible at a glance, even during the welding process. With LQuas, all welding parameters can be recorded. On the job site, the GPS data shows exactly where the weld was carried out. At the end, a standards-compliant report can be exported. The Eco mode offers several advantages. Eco mode significantly lowers energy costs, reduces noise, and extends component life, resulting in lower service costs. You may be wondering, what does it mean for me? Compared to other 3 kg extruders, lifetime operating costs are more than 40% lower. Combined with the 5 years warranty, this gives you a true worry-free package. Leister offers a wide range of additional services to support you. Use the WeldPlast for a few days on your next project. Compare output, downtime and rework, and see the superior economic value it delivers to your business. Thank you for choosing Leister.